Hello guys, my name is Venkat Sai. I am currently pursuing in Sri Venkateshwar College of the Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about Django's date and time features. Django is a Python web framework with powerful tool for handling dates and times. This tool allows you to easily store, retrieve and manipulate data that involves time. Django provides several features for date and time management, including the ability to represent dates, times and time zones. It also offers powerful tool for formatting and manipulating date and time objects. Datetime module in Python. Python built-in datetime module provides a powerful framework for working with dates and times. It offers classes like date, time, and datetime, enabling you to represent, manipulate, and format these values effectively. This module is the foundation for Django's date and time functionality. The datetime module allows you to create datetime objects that holds both date and time information. You can access individual components like years, months, day, hour, minutes, and seconds. This module also provides method for performing calculations such as adding or subtracting days, weeks, months, or years from a datetime object. Representing dates and times in Django. Django provides several ways to represent dates and times. The datetime field stores both date and time information and is often used for timestamps. The date field stores only date information and can be used for birthdays or anniversaries. The time field stores only time information and can be used for events or appointments. This field provides built-in validation and formatting for dates and times. You can also use the Python date util library to work with the complex date time functions. Time zone supporting in Django. Django provides robust time zone support for application that needs to handle dates and times across different geographical locations. The time zone setting in your Django project's settings.py file specifies the default time zone for your application. You can use the time zone module to convert dates and times between time zones, ensuring accurate representation of data regardless of the users. Django also supports the pytz library, which provides a comprehensive set of time zone definitions for various regions around the world. Formatting date and times. Django provides a powerful and flexible way to format date and time in your application. You can use the built-in stream method to create custom date and time formats. This method takes a format string as input, which specifies how you want the date or time to be displayed. Uses a set of special characters that represent different date and time components. For example, you can format a date as years, months, and date to display it as 2023 9/29, or use hours, minutes, and seconds, the time as 10:30. You can also combine formatting codes to create custom formats to display both date and time. Parsing dates and time. Django provides a variety of methods for parsing dates and times from strings. The date and time module offers functions like stream for converting strings to date and time objects. You can specify the format of the input string to ensure accurate parsing. Django also provides a datetime field that automatically parse dates and times from inputs using the datetime function from django.utils.timezone for convenient parsing and handling time zones. Date and time arithmetic. Django provides various tools for performing arithmetic operations on dates and time. You can easily add or subtract day, hours, minutes, or seconds using the built-in time delta object. For example, you can calculate a date 1 week from today using the following code from datetime import time delta. The code utilizes the time delta objects to add the current date. You can similarly subtract the minute or seconds by specifying the corresponding parameters. Querying by date and time. Django ORM provides powerful tool for querying objects based on date and time fields. You can use the /it/gt /ite gte and range operators to filter objects by their date or time. You can also use the slash year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds operate to filter objects based on specific date or time components. You can combine these operations to create more complex queries. For example, you can query for all objects created in last 24 hours or all objects created on a specific date. Handling time zones in Django. Django provides powerful features for managing time zones. You can define a default time zone for your project, and Django will automatically convert dates and times to the appropriate time zone when displaying them to users. You can also specify a time zone for individual users so that their data is displayed in one time zone. This ensures that users see the correct dates and regardless of where they are located. Best practices for working with dates and times in Django. When working with date and time in Django, there are several best practices to keep in mind. It is important to use the Django's datetime model for all date and time operations. The model provides a robust and consistent API for handling dates and times in your Django application. Additionally, it good practice to be expected about the time zone. Always specifies the time zone when creating or retrieving dates and time. They ensure that all data and times are received in correct time zone. The Django document provides excellent guidance on the best practices for the time zones. Thank you.